Oh, hey guys. Just got back from the gym, burned out my quads, actually felt a little bit in my glutes and in my, basically in my butt for the most part. So, doing some squats, doing some leg work today, and eating my Now Body protein, right? I mix it with the chocolate, I mix it with the vanilla. It's a whey protein. We're coming out with a plant-based protein pretty soon, but one of the best things that you can do, of course, after you've tore all the muscles is actually go and replenish. Okay, you're going to need some amino acids and some protein to be able to build back up and to replenish and repair those muscles that you just tore. So I'm actually filming this in my basement, and I felt like, Elvis was in my pants again, or disco leg. If you've ever gone down the stairs after doing squats, it's almost an accomplishment and a workout in itself to be able to get down the stairs. Going up is a little bit easier. Going down, you feel like feel like you are having major issues. So not only am I going to spend some time fueling my body up again for that repair, I'm also going to give a long time to actually recover. So one of the great things with the system that I work with is that we have 10 days between the next workout of quads. Now that doesn't mean I can't use my legs for other things. I might go hike, I could, run. I don't prefer running, but I could go hiking, and as long as I don't bring my legs to failure, I'm not really going to cause some major issues down the road. But in the meantime, I will do other activities. I'll have every other day I'll do a different body part. So in 2 days, I'll start the cycle over again, and I'll do backs and biceps. And then we have a day off, and then we'll go to the next thing. So every other day we do a major group. Now, the only thing, again, with this is it's going to replenish and repair your muscles. And so that over time, you'll be able to, build more muscle, which then in turn also breaks down more fat. And so even while you're sleeping, you're going to be burning more calories in the long run. So fueling your body is a crucial thing and a key integral part to getting yourself fit. Now, if on the other hand, if you're looking at this program to run it as a business, the other thing you got to do is fuel your mind. And so I often, if you look at a lot of my posts, you'll see that I'm posting about books I'm reading, maybe other courses and other things that I'm pulling knowledge from that I then share. I write blog posts about it. I use those to kind of formulate things that I write in my emails and in social media posts and things like that. So this book that I actually picked it up a while ago, but it's been on my list of many things to read in my house. I basically just keep building things up, and I'll pull one down, I'll read one, and then you get some ideas from it, and I'll implement them, and then I'll get another book. And so the last two, the one I read the other day was called Wave 3, Way to Building Your Downline by Richard Poe. And this one is Your First Year in Network Marketing by Mark and Rene Yarnell. And so both of these, they actually kind of reference each other in the book. So I'm not sure if it was recommended when I bought one to get the other, because I think I bought them both for like a total of $5 on Amazon. Or maybe it was on eBay actually. And so you can search for things like these. Maybe you can even find them on eBay. So, or even at like a thrift store. Last night I went to, I was out with my girlfriend and all of our kids, and we decided there was a 50% off at the thrift shop. So I went to the thrift shop and I actually found another book about, network marketing. So you never know what someone else is going to give up, and someone might get into network marketing and then they just quit. And so one of the first chapters, and so far, like one of the main, things that this book is going into is some of the key applications of things that people should know when they're first getting started to be able to help you thrive. And what they were saying, and there was a quote in here in the first chapter about, those that survive are going to be the ones that thrive. It was something like that. I'm paraphrasing. So the idea, though, and I've only read the first chapter so far, so, keep an eye out for other ideas that I come from with this or that I'm going to share from this. But the first chapter alone just talks about the idea of the rejection rocket. And so whether it's, things in network marketing or things that you need to repair here with your muscles, working out, building a business, you're going to suffer failure. You're going to suffer rejection. You're going to suffer the feeling that your muscles can't even get you down a couple, steps. And so that idea of failure, I'm not going to just live the rest of my life in the basement. I know I'll be able to get back upstairs. If someone rejects me and says, okay, I don't want to work in this business, okay, it's time to move on. You don't want to ruin relationships and burn bridges there by forcing the issue. So being able to present yourself the right way or know the right time when to present it to people is a cruel, or crucial thing. It can be cruel with how maybe some people might treat you. Maybe it's a spouse, maybe it's a relative or a cousin, or maybe it's your best friend that just thinks that you're a fool for getting into a business where you can take over your own life and have your own vision, and be the one that's empowering yourself and building your own legacy. And so you need to take advantage of things like this, the information here that can help you out. And again, it's not a new book. It's been around. I believe this was printed in around 1998. So it's almost 20. It's 20 years old now. And there's probably newer editions. This is just the one that I happened to pick up. But just that idea, just go into this. Go into working out, getting healthy. Go into talking to people. Go into building a business. Understand that it's okay to fail. Okay, you may experience some failures. That's okay. That's part of the game. It's not the end of the world. But you need to understand that you need to recover from that. You need to get back in the game. You need to keep at it. One of the brilliant things about the business I work with is that it's all online. You don't necessarily have to do and talk to people in your neighborhood. You don't have to go prospect people at the store. You don't have to go to hotel meetings. Now, we're not saying that you can't do that. Let's say you started to build a team and you want to expand in the local market. That's totally okay. I've been running this for over a year now, and I've made some really nice commissions in this, and I've started to build a really nice team below me that are also starting to duplicate. We're using online social advertising. We're using Facebook advertising. Some are using paid solo ads. They're using free traffic methods. And so with other strategies, we can continue to evolve and grow. And that's one of the great things about this program. We have digital tools and we also have the physical products. So now we're getting people that were, old school marketers that want to come on and try things because they're used to the, face-to-face stuff with the physical products. But we also have a lot of digital people because we have great tools. So it's a global industry. And so we have a lot of opportunities, but just remember there's billions of people out there, billions with a B. Okay, on the world. Now, they're not all online. Maybe they can't all afford a business. But even if you just had, a very small percentage of those, just a couple hundred people, just imagine what that could do for your life. If you had, 100 people that are on your team paying residuals or paying monthly, and, think about what you could do with that. So have the mindset that you are going to succeed. I've been doing this for a while. It's not my first year, dealing with things in network marketing, but I'm still going through and I can always learn, and we can always go with the mindset that, okay, if I can find out what other people are struggling with, then I can help them a lot easier. So don't be afraid to fail when you keep working and move forward, whether it's, failing at a weight again, because that is key. That helps growth. When you fail your muscles grow stronger. The next time you go back, you're stronger. When you fail in your business, you think about, okay, maybe I presented something different. Maybe I should have told them this, or maybe I shouldn't have said this and waited until they saw the video, or maybe I should have showed them the video instead and let them come up with their own conclusions. Or maybe I should have shown them my successes, after the fact, and then say, okay, maybe you might be interested in looking at this, when a good time, if you want, I'm not going to pressure you, because whether you're with me or whether you're not, I'm still going to move forward and see some success. So again, whether it's your first year in network marketing, whether it's your 20th year in network marketing, I would recommend maybe picking up this book just to get some ideas to help you and to help the people that are coming in with you that might need the necessary information so that they know that, okay, it's okay to fail. So again, recover yourself, fuel your body, and fuel your mind. This has been Dave Gardner, and we'll talk to you soon.